There's a Chinese saying that finally broke my enabling patterns. 靠山山会倒，靠人人会跑，靠自己最好。It means lean on a mountain and the mountain can fall. Lean on people and people can run. Lean on yourself is the best method. I realize I spent decades being everyone's mountain. Wife, kids, business, until my body collapsed. Nobody trained me to lean on me. So if you've ever been everyone's mountain, the next level isn't tougher skin, it's regulated core. Comment mountain and grab the 7-minute reset link so your body learns what it feels like to finally lean on yourself.